Hello and welcome to Traders Union. In this video, we take a closer look at FundedNext, a proprietary trading firm that gives traders access to funded capital through performance-based programs. We will explain how its funding model is structured, what trading conditions apply, and which rules are most important to understand before entering an evaluation. Stay with us until the end to learn about the latest FundedNext bonuses and promotional offers available to traders. FundedNext is a performance-based proprietary trading firm that enables traders to access company capital after demonstrating consistent profitability during an evaluation. Rather than executing trades with personal funds, traders complete structured challenges to qualify for funded accounts where profits are shared according to predefined splits. The company operates through multiple legal entities across different jurisdictions. FundedNext Limited is registered in the Commerce Union. FundedNext functions as a proprietary trading firm rather than a regulated brokerage, meaning it does not fall under traditional financial market regulations. Instead, its operations are governed by internal rules, performance criteria, and risk management frameworks established by the company. So how does trading with FundedNext actually work? To access capital, traders begin with a challenge-based evaluation. FundedNext offers several challenge program types. Traders are required to meet defined profit targets while respecting daily and overall drawdown limits. Once the evaluation is successfully completed, traders receive a funded account. FundedNext supports trading through MT4, MT5, and cTrader, allowing traders to use familiar platforms with advanced charting, automated strategies, and flexible order execution. The firm provides access to a range of instruments, including Forex pairs, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrency CFDs, depending on the selected program. Funded accounts come with profit-sharing models that can reach up to 90% depending on the account type and trader performance. FundedNext also offers scaling plans, allowing successful traders to increase their account size over time by maintaining consistent results and rule compliance. Now let's highlight the key advantages of FundedNext. No personal capital required. Traders risk evaluation fees, not live deposits. Multiple evaluation options. Offers several challenge program types. High profit splits. Up to 95% for consistently profitable traders. Platforms flexibility. MT4, MT5, and cTrader support. Scaling opportunities. Account growth based on performance. Clear trading rules. Predefined drawdown and risk limits. However, there are important drawbacks to consider. Strict rule enforcement. Drawdown and consistency rule leave little margin for error. Evaluation fees. Traders must pay upfront to access challenges. Psychological pressure. Trading under performance conditions may not be suitable to all traders. FundedNext also uses promotional incentives to reduce the cost of entering its evaluation programs. The firm offers a 120% reward bonus, which refunds more than the original challenge fee after a trader successfully completes the evaluation and meets the required conditions. This mechanism is designed to partially offset upfront costs rather than influence trading performance. In addition, traders interested in FundedNext futures programs may access a 5% discount on challenge purchases. These bonuses and discounts are applied through promo codes TU Drive for CFDs, FU Drives for futures entered at the checkout and are available only when accounts are opened via the official Traders Union referral link. As with all promotional offers, traders should review the specific terms and eligibility requirements before participating. To sum up, FundedNext can be a suitable option for traders who already have a structured approach and are comfortable trading on the predefined risk limits. The firm focuses on discipline and consistency, offering capital access and profit-sharing opportunities without requiring traders to use their own funds in live markets. However, access depends heavily on strict rule compliance and emotional control. For a full review of FundedNext's programs, fees and trading conditions, we recommend reaching the detailed review on the Traders Union website. You will find the link in the description. As with any prop firm, it's best to study the rules carefully and choose an evaluation plan that matches your experience and risk profile.